buyers are satisfied because they're fair prices and the interest rates are low. So it is the time to make your move, but we need more inventory.
And the reason why is because so many people are now ready to move up, downsize, move into the market. People are buying.
Yes, it's just the economy's a little stronger with jobs and all that.
Right.
And obviously this is the time of year that everybody rushes back into the market. Then with our stock market situation, it's lowered the rates again.
Right.
So it's just kind of this frenzy that's starting all
But
over
we're in the
again.
dead of winter, too, which is kind of surprising.
Not in real estate. We
Yeah.
have not had a week of winter in real estate.
Somebody said to me the other day, I'm going to sell my house, but I want to wait till the spring. It's a better time to sell. You say that's not true.
No, because there's nothing on the market. There's no inventory. So if you would get on sooner than later before everybody else comes on, all these buyers that are sitting there waiting to lock in on their low interest rate loan are going to jump on that house. So get it going now.
And you're seeing every price point that you're talking about? Really?
Yeah.
And
if you price it right,
right.
Yeah.
And right doesn't mean it has to be, a fire sale. Right means to the market. So you price it to the market. You do the things that we tell you to do to appeal to the public. There's certain things that are going to enhance your showing and enhance your online attraction. So we come in and walk through the house and tell you all these things that you need to do. And then the second we put it on, because we're already pre-marketing it for a minute while you're getting those things done,
right.
We're creating a buzz, we're lining people up, and then as soon as you come on, it's a little bit of a feeding frenzy if your house meets those criteria of price right, condition is right, it sells.
Because the market is so tight, home prices then are naturally going up.
Right. They're predicted to go up between 3 to 5% again this year, depending on what area you're in. But, we're stacking contracts up. So people that lose it, they're coming back in with backup contracts right now. So that's how desperate they are for the right property. They'll sit and wait for somebody's deal to fall through.
Did you want to talk about this, or was there something else we didn't get to? I'm sorry.
Just a quick, I was going to mention, getting real on foreclosures because, we run into people all the time that still think that they're going to come out and find all these foreclosures and get a fabulous deal.
Right.
And, there's not necessarily great deals to be had these days like there were 4 or 5 years ago in the foreclosure market. So a couple little myths with foreclosures is that, number one, it doesn't mean the house is a disaster. People oftentimes lose their house because of a job loss, or they've lost it because of, something terrible happened.
Medical situation or
so
whatever.
They're not necessarily angry people that destroyed the house and ripped all the appliances out and that type of thing. They walk away, so they're not always in terrible shape. It doesn't mean just because what the bank took the loan over for is what the bank's going to sell you the house for. The bank is a seller, and this is a seller's market. The bank is going to sell the house for market value, and guess what? Buyers are going to be willing to pay market value. Many buyers will.
Right.
So don't feel like you can go online and do all your little research and say the bank has this much into it and they put new carpet in, so therefore we're going to be able to buy it for X, because if there's 8 other houses that are selling for $50,000 more than that, guess what? The bank's going to sell their house for $50,000 more.
Kathy Helbig, been doing this a long time, though you still look about 25 years old. You have a full team. Don't forget the app. The KathyHelbigGroup.com is the website. The app is a great way to go and kick the tires and look, and when you're ready to talk, call Kathy Helbig, 314-276-SOLD. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks, guys.
You got it, 743, Big 550, KTRS.
Hi, Mark Goldstein here for Edwards Carpet. It's